Do you want to know how you can log out of your Onlyfans account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your current Onlyfans account. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and make sure you are logged in. Tap on the first link which appears and go ahead and click login. Now as you can see that you are logged into your account. Now to log out to your account, go to more and then go to logout. Click on logout and then you will be logged out of your account. Let me show it to you again. Just beneath the My Profile in the left hand corner you can see more. If you click on more, this drop down menu will come and you can go ahead and click logout. This way you will be logged out of your Onlyfans account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.